So we're looking for things that are different. All this is the same. Remember those old puzzles where some of the things on this picture are different than that picture?
But I don't have it all figured out yet.
That's what we're doing. We're looking for things that are different. We want to make the quiet quiet. We want to make the words all there. This one's a little bit off screen. Don't do that. Go right here. That got it down on screen. That one we're not going to touch. This one is a breath. And moving right along. We're not quite halfway done yet. You're beginning to see the pattern here. We just looking for things that are different, like that moan. That was interesting. Haven't seen one of those before. With a different shape. This one goes off screen. The thin spike goes, I got down. The little thicker spike down here, that kind of bothers me. Let's hear it.
About our work.
Okay, work. You can hear the okay, so that's fine. Bring this one down. Get rid of all that noise. Get rid of that breath. This one needs to come down a little bit. Moving right along. Here, 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 here. Using this technique also, there will be clicks and pops and breaths and things buried in the middle of words, like right in the middle of here, sometimes. So I won't get all those, but that's okay, because again, we're going to listen to the entire thing to make sure that everything that's supposed to be there is, and things, there's nothing there that isn't supposed to be there. So we will listen for clicks and pops and breaths and pauses and anything else that isn't supposed to be there when we run through the whole thing in the QA phase. So we can just with a cavalier attitude, we can just zip right through here, and if we miss something, it's not a big deal. It will be caught. I did 2 there to get that down. Not 1. Just kind of watch it, and you can just hit Shift B, Shift V, or excuse me, Shift 2, Shift 2 to reduce it until you get it on screen. This one's a little off screen. 1 does it enough. Could do this one in here. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's a T from a word.
How do you get into the...
So this is the T on get. Definitely listen to it.
How do you get into the mind?
You hear get? How loud that T is. Very pronounced. So if we do 3, took 3, cutting it in half 3 times, and the tip is now on screen.
How do you get into the mind of...
So you heard it, I think.
How do you get into the mind?
Get. But it's quieter where it's there. The word's recognizable, but it's not bright and loud. Okay? And that's what we're doing. Zipping right along. We're down to 7 minutes. It's halfway would be 10, so we're over halfway done. And I'm doing click slide, click drag, punch, click drag, punch, click drag, punch. That might be you.
Prodigy?
Nope. Click drag, punch, click drag, punch, click drag, punch. That one's okay, it's so thin. Click punch. Just like that. You can see my keyboard over there, Shift V every time. Click, drag, and circle where I'm clicking and dragging. And that one goes off screen, so we'll do that one. That got it down on screen. Shift 2. Here, we go in right along and picking up the pace a little bit. I actually go much faster than this when I'm not talking and recording. That's just a matter of practice. After you do a few books, you'll be able to go fast too. That one's okay. We'll go over here. This is, well, reduce that. There, I got the top down on screen. And here. We didn't have that many pauses in here. We've had, what, 2 so far? That might be you there.
I had,
No?
you know, in all these months.
Okay, that's months. That's on the end of month. So let's reduce that a little bit. There, try that.
You know, in all these months, I had
Still hear it, but it's not so loud. Get rid of that spike, get rid of that. This looks dangerous. There you are.
They're still puzzling for us.
They're still puzzling for us. Maybe? Looks kind of like.
They're still puzzling for us all.
Okay, you see we had 1, 2, and then a longer one. 1, 2, and then a longer one. You kind of look for the pattern here, and that's a pretty good guess. That's where it is. This is your pause. This is the mistake. This is the correction. You see how coming from the end, we just go from there to there. We do click, drag left, delete. And we just keep going. Same thing we do when we're getting rid of this. It's just we need to take a moment and find the exact place where the delete needs to go. And then we just keep going in the same direction. Shift left. That little click bothers me. There. That one is nothing. It's way too long after this to be part of a word. We can listen to it.
Brain like a tape recorder.
So you can't even hear it. It's a click. It's a tongue click, a tooth click, something like that. But it's really quiet, so let's just get rid of it because it bothers me. And I'm just weird like that. Okay. Going right along. Here's another end of word. One shift 2 and it's way down. That's really not worth doing, but I do it anyway. Just because. And we got another one here. Got it down in there. Oh, that's good. Can you hear Ryan snoring there next to me? This is a long, like diff change of scene or something.
Tomorrow, I have her scheduled with an
Uh-oh.
Tomorrow, I have her scheduled with an
That's a boop. Whoops.
Oh, we're aware she has limitations, and we'll do some more observation and testing to determine what they are.
This bothers me. I'm glad I stopped.
To determine what they are.
Aha, so there's no pause here, but there is.
Oh, we're aware she has limitations, and we'll do some more observation.
So we're going to find this.
Oh, we're aware she has limitations.
We're going to find that down here. Like here. You see the long solid and a long solid? A long solid and a long solid. So we go back to here.
Oh, we're aware she has limitations.
So there was a pause that you didn't say pause, or if you did, maybe that's you saying pause. Anyway, glad I caught it. It would have been caught. That's one of those that would have normally gotten through and QA would have picked up and told me that I had a oops there, and then you just go back in and do it. Not a big deal. You don't have to be perfect on this pass. Get the 90% as fast as you can get the 90%, and then take care of the 10% when the QA finds it. Much more efficient. This one is not off the screen, as you can see here. That's like the end of a vowel, an S or an E or a Y or something right here. It's not a breath, normally. Could be this time, not a big deal. An occasional breath isn't the end of the world. This one is definitely off the screen. And that's close enough. Got 2, shift 2s. So most of what I hit is shift V and shift 2. V punches and 2 cuts it in half. So almost everything that I do going across here. You can see down in the bottom left hand corner the keys I'm hitting. Those tops on my keyboard are actually wearing out. Shift 2, bring that down some. Again. You can get away with just bringing it down some, or not even bringing it down. It isn't the end of the world, because that's you. When you see one of those little T's or whatever, if you skip it, it's not a big deal. I mean, it sounds fine. You can hear it. It's not the end of the world. It's not like it sounds like a mistake. If you do them, then it reduces it a little bit and makes it what I would call a cleaner, smoother sound. So get most of them, skip a few if you're not sure, not a big deal. This is you. I thought it might be, so I checked it.
Pause.
So that means this is where we pick up.
I remember being in your studio.
I remember being in your studio, and it's a solid block.
I remember being in your studio
Okay, so see how I saw 2 small ones and a big one and 2 small ones. So I click here and drag, and then just hit the delete key and move right along. You don't have to do all that zoom in and get exactly the right cycle of the wave. That's all a bunch of nonsense. You just cut out the bad part. Ooh, that was bad. I clipped the end of that word. There. So you just want to get rid of all the mistake and the cadence. You see the difference, the sound here, the silence here, the silence here, how there's 3 different lengths. If I cut that pause out and I make the resulting pause, the resulting silence, a little bit smaller, a little bit longer, it doesn't matter. The cadence is pretty random, and so if the result of my cutting it out makes the silence weird for some reason, that'll be picked up in QA. I really don't need to listen to it to see. It should be okay. Normally it's okay. Normally it doesn't matter if I cut out a little extra silence when I clip out that pause. Coming on down. On these, typically I don't change the duration of the silence. I just get rid of the noise. Sometimes I notice a particularly long silence between scenes, and I might reduce that a little bit. You kind of have to listen to the end of the one scene and the beginning of the next to see how long it can be silent before it feels uncomfortable.